What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at XRP and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes, subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well recently. It's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. Also, if you're interested in even more info, we're offering Patreon and YouTube membership for coin calls and more in-depth research of altcoins with massive potential. All the links are in the description, and in any instance you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as you can see, XRP recently has been performing exceptionally well. Obviously, as we can see here, from around the end of March, for around a month till the middle of April, XRP basically performed extremely well, mostly based off bullish sentiment around the SEC lawsuit and how little of a case that the SEC seems to have. Ripple Labs seem to be doing very well, and the judge seems to be taking the case very seriously, which means that she's not just ruling in favor of the SEC just because they're a government body. So essentially what's happening is Ripple seem to be slowly winning the lawsuit. At least that's what most people are claiming currently. And it seems likely, considering the lack of evidence that the SEC is actually providing about their case, that this could well be a possibility that we can entertain. And if that's the case, then in our opinion at the channel, we can't imagine that a settlement isn't going to take too much longer, because the way that the SEC is dragging this out, it's just genuinely starting to make them look quite bad. It's becoming more and more apparent that the lawsuit was just a cash grab. It's quite clear that they don't really have much evidence in the way of XRP ever being sold as unregistered securities by Ripple, really. So it's very unlikely that they're going to get a ruling that's favorable to them. So the best outcome for both parties, rather than dragging out, would most likely be a settlement, and we do believe that this is probably going to happen sometime soon. It seems very likely this is going to happen to us. So as we can see, the price action has been reflecting that as a result. Ripple have actually had the allegations against Ripple are pertaining to like 2013, 2014, and the SEC has had years and years to bring this lawsuit against Ripple, but for some reason they decided until the last day of their previous SEC chair to bring it against Ripple Labs, which seems very suspicious in my opinion. If they really believed in the case, I don't understand why they wouldn't just bring the case against them straight away and do whatever they need to do to protect investors, quote unquote, is what they've been saying. But from as we can see back here, there was no thought for protecting investors when they filed the lawsuit, because as we can see, just as XRP started getting running in this bull run, there was a huge dump because of the lawsuit. It actually fell from around 50-60 cents here all the way down to 17 cents at its low. So investors actually lost 78% of the value of their cryptos in the space of a week or so. So the SEC obviously don't give a shit about investors. Let's be honest. They just care about whatever their agendas may be. But it seems very likely that in a court of law, they can't prove the allegations against Ripple, because it seems like they're basically dragging this lawsuit out. So that's a little bit of background about what's been going on with XRP. Obviously, this strong bullish sentiment was created by positive news from the SEC lawsuit. It seems likely that Ripple are going to win the case or settle, most likely. In both instances, that's very, very good for XRP. Obviously, as we can see, the market-wide correction hit at XRP very hard because it was running on quite a lot of pure hype here and not actually on any sort of utility, really. A lot of people have been bandwagoning into XRP, as we can see here. But then, this market-wide correction, we can clearly see the double bottom that formed for most cryptocurrencies here. And then since then, XRP has been trading upwards in this channel that we've outlined. There's been a few times here where it's been forming small bull flags and then breaking to the upside. There's one here, for example, that we'll just outline right now. This was a bull flag, and then everyone thought this was going to be a bull flag as well. with a fake out to the upside, as we can see there. But it actually broke to the downside because of some the SEC basically moving back a private meeting where people thought they'd probably be discussing a settlement for their Ripple lawsuit. But then the price bounced off this perfect little support and resistance here at 130, and then bounced up and moved to the upside again, and actually ran as high as 176 here, which is the highest it's been since the local high of the first run up. And now we seem to be falling a descending wedge, as we can see here, and this is just broken to the upside, and we're still trading within this channel as well. So still feeling bullish on XRP. It seems very likely this lawsuit's going to rule in favor of them. We do have a large bag of XRP on the channel, and we do believe that this is an asset that's just going to perform exceptionally well. We do believe the SEC lawsuit is probably going to go in favor of Ripple. And if that's the case, the price action is definitely going to explode to the upside. And the regulatory clarity that will be provided by that outcome means that institutions can potentially start buying billions or trillions of dollars of XRP for what its actual use case is, which is cross-border payments and potentially a world reserve currency. They'll most likely take over Nostro-Vostro accounts, which are valued at $27 trillion across the world. So if they manage to take just the market cap of that, that would be an XRP well in excess of $200, maybe even $300 per token, which is a massive, massive deal. So as we can see, things are looking quite bullish for XRP, and the price action is reflecting that. Also, once it's unleashed from this lawsuit, I think the bull run itself from retail investors will also take hold. And we can definitely imagine XRP heading up in the short term, back to its all-time high of around $3.50, which was outlined as a line here, maybe bouncing off it and consolidating and then heading upwards as well. And then obviously at any time, if the SEC lawsuit gets finalized and it goes anywhere near in favor of Ripple Labs, it's very likely that XRP is going to explode to the upside. And we can easily imagine XRP hitting $10, $20, maybe even $30 per token, which is obviously trillions of dollars of market cap. But it's important to remember that XRP will be the first crypto with true regulatory clarity, which means that investors can actually invest in it, and institutions with very minimal risk of them getting in trouble. And this price has been suppressed for a long, long time. It seems very likely that XRP is going to catch up in terms of the gains that are being made by other top cryptos. So that's our price prediction for today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, and not to mention a 100x portfolio that we're currently constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that. And they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. Also, make sure to hit the like button, as it helps the channel out immeasurably. So if you're a fan of the channel, please just go ahead and tap the like button now. Currently only 10% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow. So please hit the big red subscribe button as well. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. All of our useful links are down there, and we'd really appreciate you going and checking them all out. There's loads of affiliate links, and you can always sign up to the free Telegram. Totally free, and you'll get all of our updates, technical analysis, and lots of other good stuff. So please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.